Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the form open, so start by clicking the gear icon to open Settings, General first. You need editor access. If you don't have it, request it now. In General, decide whether to collect email addresses, restrict to domain, or allow multiple responses. Each choice changes what Send offers. Once set, click Save. Now click Send at the top right to view current options. These initial settings control whether Send shows link, email, or embed choices, so this first step matters. In the Send dialog, you'll see three main tabs: Email, Link, and Embed. Choose the one that fits your distribution plan. For email, put recipients, edit subject and message. Check the box to include form and email if supported. For link, click the short URL checkbox for a compact shareable link, and for embed, copy the iframe code and set width/height. If multiple people must send, click Add Collaborators and change sharing. This ensures consistent sending and avoids permission errors. Finalize by testing. Send the form to yourself and one alternate address to confirm access and response flow. If links or embeds fail, make sure sharing isn't restricted to your domain and that the destination sheet and permissions allow responses. If embedding looks odd, tweak iframe width and height and test in the target page. Troubleshooting tip: if recipients see a permission error, open Settings and temporarily remove domain restrictions, then reapply after confirming distribution. This fixes most send access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.